What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Recently, my phone has been dying a lot faster, and I've been needing it to like go places, and I'm starting to do a lot of travel, but the problem is it's been dying so fast, and I've just been wondering if you could just replace the battery for me.
Don't worry, I got you. Surgery time. Your phone is ready, sir. Now it's good to go.
Thank you so much. I didn't want to risk going to like Apple. I just want to say you're incredible for that. I was at like 46% before, now it's at 66 in just like a few minutes. You were amazing for that. Thank you.
You're welcome.